Hi, I'm Ben Dover,
Hi, I'm Hugh Mungus.
and we will be showing you how geometry works in real life and in basic things, which so happens our topic today is Nerf.
Just so you're not confused, I will be using the white dart.
And so you're not confused as well, I will be using a blue dart. Line segment. Where is this in my theme? Well, it's when the Nerf gun fires a dart off. When firing a Nerf dart, it is launched in a straight line from the starting point of the gun to the ending point of the target. That is where it is important. The gun from point A shot the dart to point B. Parallel line segments. This is when two Nerf guns are fired at the same time. When two Nerf blasters are fired at two different targets, as you can see, they are 1 foot apart. The darts never intersect and are always the same distance apart. As you can see, my partner and I are a foot apart from each other, and we are parallel to ourselves and to the target. We will now demonstrate. 3, 2, 1. Perpendicular line segments. This is also when two Nerf guns are fired at the same time. Its significance is this is when firing in the blast zone, things tend to unravel. When one blaster fires in a straight line in one direction, another can fire in cross paths, otherwise known as intersecting with the dart. Parallel line segments. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Vertex. This is when two Nerf guns are fired at the same time, but also fired to a single target, as you can see. The significance is when two Nerf guns have a single target to hit, but one is in a location that is separate to the other, and they are fired to the single target, and this forms an angle as the two line segments intersect. Ready? 1, 2, 3. As you can see, both of the darts intersected as soon as it hit the single point at point C. Right angle. This is when one Nerf gun fires at two different targets. As you can see, the significance of this term is when one Nerf gun is fired at two different targets. My first target, point A, is horizontal to my position, while point B is vertical to point A but across from my position. First, I am at my position. I will be making a line segment that will intersect at point A. 3, 2, 1. Now I will be pointing at point B and create another line segment, which would instill the right angle. Ready? And 3, 2, 1.
Intersection. How I'll be showing you is by firing two different darts in a direction in a way that they cross paths. We will now be demonstrating how. Line. It's really simple. First, I will fire the dart and it will form a line. Here's how. I will now demonstrate. Chord. This is when a dart is fired upwards and lands after curving in the air. I will now demonstrate. Arc. Arc is when a dart forms a curve in the middle of the air, most like we showed you in chord.
I will now demonstrate.
It may have been difficult to witness, but in our best efforts we were able to capture the arc and the dart's trajectory mid-air. Plane. Alright? Plane is when say you're with a bunch of friends and you want to play Nerf, you're going to look for a battlefield sort of thing. Usually you want to look for flat area. Alright? That would be your plane. We will now demonstrate the plane. Alright. You ready? Go! This entire area would be considered our plane, since it is a flat surface. This will be the last of our geometry terms. One.
On to the next
hold on.
Now, my partner and I will demonstrate the geometry term vertex. Oh, Chris Father's a freaking big bird. Oh my god. Say it again. Now, I will be...
For our next geometry term, we'll be showing you arc. Arc is when the... For our next geometry term, we'll be showing you arc. Arc is when the dart forms a curve in the middle of the air, much like we did when we did with chord.
This has been our first semester video project for our math teacher, Mr. Ng.
We hope that you enjoyed it and learned something about geometry, and hope you will think about it in your future.
And again, I'm Ben.
I'm Hugh,
And we thank you.